Hi, it's Brad Simmons from Ocean Consulting Services. I'm going to take this opportunity to provide you with an overview of our services and how we handle tax debt situations. So the first question we get is, when can you provide services? So are you about to file your tax return and you realize you don't have enough money to make payment? We can help at that point in time. Have you already filed, but you're receiving notices from the IRS asking you to make payment and you don't have the funds? Well, we can get involved then. Did the IRS already notify you that they intend to file a tax lien? Were you just notified by the IRS that they intend to start taking your property, garnishing your wages, or taking money from your bank account? We can help at that point. Have they already started taking your property? Have they levied your bank account? Have they garnished your wages? We can provide services at that point. So who am I? I'm Brad Simmons. I'm a CPA based in Plymouth, Massachusetts. I operate as a sole practitioner. I have over 35 years of professional experience and over 25 years of experience with Deloitte Tax in Boston, where I was a partner. My education includes a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration from Boston University, as well as a master's in taxation from Bentley University. And I've completed the IRS representation certificate program conducted through the University of Connecticut. My experience also includes time as an adjunct professor at Suffolk University, where I taught a master's level class in taxation. Now let's get to the good stuff, pricing. So my initial consultation and analysis, the price is $1,500. It's payable in advance of providing services. If you decide to proceed with an offer in compromise, which is a settlement of your debt, the total fee is $5,000 less the initial consultation of $1,500. If you decide to proceed with an installment agreement where you pay your debt over time, the total fee is $3,500 less the $1,500 deposit. If you decide to proceed to be classified as currently not collectible, where we can stop the IRS from pursuing collection for a period of time, total fee is $3,500 less the $1,500 deposit. If your situation calls for an appeals process within the IRS, that's done on an hourly basis of $350 per hour with a $2,500 deposit required. So what do you get for your initial analysis and consultation? Well, we review your particular situation. We gather information regarding your income and expenses, your assets and your debts. We have you provide us with a power of attorney so that we can request documents from the IRS directly, so-called tax transcripts. We then use software to analyze the tax transcripts and also your financial information to develop a particular solution to dealing with your debts. And we present you with those alternatives and discuss this. And this is more than just an initial discussion. It's really an analysis of your particular information and then a consultation where we'll give you concrete ideas relating to how to resolve your tax debt. So what happens if you do decide to deal with the debt? If you do proceed with a solution, we prepare all the tax forms and gather all required financial information such as bank accounts, etc. We submit that package directly to the IRS, and once it's been processed by the IRS, we deal directly with IRS personnel. We describe your situation, we answer any questions, and provide any additional information. Let me take a quick moment to just talk about the debt resolution process versus tax return preparation. Again, there's many providers who provide tax preparation services, but debt resolution is really a specialty service within the tax practice. Tax law provides very detailed instructions, laws, regulations, rulings, etc. It's a very well-defined process. Debt resolution is authorized by the law, but it's really implemented by the IRS through guidance they refer to as the Internal Revenue Manual. Your service provider should not only have experience with tax law, but also with tax practice and procedure. So any service provider you choose should have experience both in tax preparation and also IRS practice and procedure. On a final note, we also provide tax preparation services as well as accounting assistance for business entities. Frequently, we find that our clients need these services because the IRS requires you to be what they call in compliance. And what that means is you filed all your tax returns, you're current with any payment obligations. The IRS, before they will even discuss an alternative to resolving your debt, they need to know the total debt. Many times we have situations where we have non-filers or people who need to get caught up with past tax returns, and we are available to assist with that process as well. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for listening, and feel free to contact us if you need any assistance with your tax debt. Thanks. Bye.